Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga fire signs natin dyan, no? Tignan natin anong meron sa mga fire signs natin right now, no? So, let's see, no? And of course, na love reading tayo pala, no? For today's reading for you, no? Mga fire signs natin. And before that, no, yeah, of course, no? Besides sa love reading is let's see anong message or motivational message no from your inner self no mga fire signs natin, and of course message advice from the universe, right? No, so let's see no mga fire signs. So let's start with you, Aris. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga Aris natin, no? So, let's see anong ganap, no, sa mga Aris natin. What's the message from your inner self? Ano yung kailangan yung marinig from your inner self, of course. And, anong sitwasyon for your love relationship, right? No, mga Aris. And, message advice from the universe, no? So, let's see, no? Anong message ng iyong inner self, no? Mga Aries natin, right? Kuha tayo ng one card here for you. Yes. Start tayo agad-agad, right? Mga fire sign. So, let's see. What's the message, advice, or motivational messages, no? Message, of course, for you, Aries, ng iyong inner self, no? So, what is this? It always seems impossible until it is done. So, yan, no, sinasabi sa'yo rito, right, no, Aris, ng iyong inner self, right, no, maybe for some of you, lagi kayo nagne-negative, no, sa isang kung ano man ito, right, no, parang palagi nyo sinasabi, ay, hindi mangyayari yan, hindi man, but then, kasi hindi nyo na pa naman to nagagawa, right, no, so, you are jumping into the conclusion agad-agad, right, no, but sinasabi ng inner self niyo is of course 'no, gawin mo muna, right, 'no, para malaman natin anong resulta, right, na hindi yung parang sabihin natin yan nanghuhula tayo ng magiging resulta agad-agad, right, 'no. You will never know really the result until you will find out, of course, 'no, until you do the work, 'no, something like that, right, mga Aries. So sinasabi ng iyong inner self is gawin mo muna, right, 'no. Um, Talagang magiging imposible yan kung hindi mo gagawin, no? Something like that, no? Very simple, but then really has a meaning for you, no? For some of you, Aries, na may mga iniisip ng mga bagay-bagay dyan na parang imposible, but then makikita mong possible ito kapag ginawa mo, no? Something like that, right? No? So let's see, no? What's the anong sitwasyon, no? From the person on your mind, no? So let's see anong meron sa iyong person on your mind, no? Or yeah, anong meron sa iyong person, who's been connected to you, no? Mga Aries natin. So let's see, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for Aries, please. What's the ano bang meron sa iyong um, person on your mind, the one you are connected with, right? No? So let's see. So, same height as you, no? So, for some of you, no? Halos magkasing tangkad lang kayo, no? For some of you. And then, you have this brunette, no? So, for some of you, maybe mestiza. Or, brunette is like yung hair, no? May pagka-blonde, right? No? For some of you, yung person on your mind is yun nga, yung you are connected with a person na may kulay ang buhok, right? No? For some of you, mahilig mag-color ng buhok, right? And then, what else? Elderly, no? So, for some of you, hindi na siya kabataan. Of course, maybe, hindi na rin kayo bata, no? Of course, ng iyong person that you are connected with, right? No? Mga Aries natin, right? No? So, kung sino makaka-resonate here, no? So, halos same height lang kayo, no? For some of you, and then, yun nga, may kulay ang buhok, no? Or sabi natin, pwede ring foreigner for some of you, no? You are connected with a foreigner, or you are, yeah, um, you're thinking of someone who is ano no in other ano no yeah foreigner of course, right, no? Or brunette, like may ibang kulay yung hair niya or nagkukulay siya ng buhok niya, no? May pagka reddish, no, blonde, no, something like that, no? Kasi marami naman, no, pag sinabing brunette, eh, mostly mga reddish something. If correct me if I'm no, I'm mistaken, no? Correct me if I'm wrong, no, mga Arisal. But then, no, so for some of you lang na makaka-resonate here, right? No, so let's see, no, kuha pa tayo what else, no, pagdating sa iyong person. Ano pang sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng person on your mind, no? The one you are connected with, right? Mga Aris natin. So let's see, kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Aris. Tignan natin. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for Aries. Mm. So you have this, no, love call, no, expressing love, messages of love, no, thinking of you, informing you, no. So what else? You have this hammer, no, sabotage, rebuild, persistent, no, working on it, preparing, and then ascending, no? So, learning, expansion, transcending, preparing for union, new pace. No? So, for some of you, ang nakikita ko dito, Aris, no? Ang, yeah, no? For some of you, parang sabihin natin, no, with this hammer, right? No? Parang may, ang nakikita ko or nase-sense ko here, no, for some of you, may mga nangyaring issues, no, maybe before, no, sa past, no, parang sabihin natin may mga sabotage, no, self-sabotaging, no, something like that, or talagang may mga issues before na parang ngayon is both of you, no, for some of you, is parang you are working on it, no, sabi nga rito, no, working on it, repairing, no, so for some of you is yun nga, no, parang sasabihin natin na parang you are, ano, no, may inaayos ba yung mga issues, no, before, kung ano man itong mga nangyari sa past, no, issues from the past, kung ano man yan, syempre kayo lang din nakakaalam, no. So, yan, no, dumaan kayo sa ganyang stage, no, for some of you, Aris, and now, maybe because you are working on it, no, both of you, no, nagkakaroon kayo ng pag-uusap, no, tungkol sa mga kung ano man ito, no, right? Or sabihin natin na from that, no, from that, you are ascending, or both of you, or the relationship is ascending, right? No, kumbaga parang again nagkakaroon ng union, nagkakaroon ng bagong new phase, right? No, kasi you are working on it, eh. The issues from the past are kumbaga ay inaayos ninyo, both of you, no? Parang both of you decided still to be together, no? Something like that. And to work out things, no? Something like that, right? Mga Aris. And now, parang nagiging maganda yung outcome or result, no? Nung kung ano man tong mga pinagkakasunduan nyo ngayon, no? At with the love call here, ang nakikita ko, more nagkakaroon kayo ng parang nagkaroon ng kasi dito may new phase, right? No, may new beginning again, new start, no, parang fresh start from the relationship, no, something like that. And mas siguro mas kung ano yung mga dating naging issues, right? Or mga dating hindi nyo naman nagagawa, no, or mas parang nakikita ko mas nag-e-express kayo ng love ninyo for each other, no, both of you, right, no, mga Aris natin, parang ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, still you are working on the relationship here, no, so may pagbabalikan for some of you na nagkaroon ng separation, or yeah, break up, or sabihin natin na something na mga issues na inaayos ngayon, and then maganda yung nagiging result, no, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, and then yan, you are ascending. The relationship is ascending into a new fresh start, no? Something. And kasi ascending, kumaga, nagiging tumataas, nagle-level up tuloy yung inyong relationship na maybe from the past, parehas kayong immature, no, ng person mo. And now, with the ascending, no, nagle-level up, no, yung inyong relationship, no, because you are heading towards a new start, no, mga Aries natin. So maganda yung nagiging result here, right, no? Kumbaga maybe ay tinatalikuran, kinakalimutan nyo na yung mga past issues, no, and now you are moving forward together to a new and fresh start sa relationship, right? No, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you, mga Aries natin. So let's see what else, no, ano pa, no, tingnan pa natin, ano pang meron sa inyong relationship, right? So kuha tayo ng 3 cards again here, no, mga Aries natin. Let's see, no, ano pang meron sa inyong relationship right now. For Aries, please. So you have this, no, the Hermit in reverse, the Moon in reverse, sa lahat naka-reverse na. So, Page of Cups in reverse, no? So, lahat reverse. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito, no, Aries, no, maybe talagang yung mga issues before, no, hindi lang siya simple, no, for some of you, right? No, with these cards in reverse, no, is maraming revelation, maraming secrets revealed, no, or mga issues na before ay itinago na with the Page of Cups is naging emotional yung isa or both of you, right? With the Hermit in reverse and the Moon in reverse is yung mga tinatagong sikreto lumabas eh, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakita ko rito. And one of you or both of you, no, ay naging emotional talaga here, no? Maraming issues, maraming revelation, no? At hindi biro yung pinagdaanan ng relationship ninyo, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nasa-sense ko dito, no? Mga Aries natin, no? So, hindi biro yung pinagdaanan ng inyong relationship, no? For some of you, no? So, talagang kung ano man tong pinagdaanan ninyo, right? No? And still you decided to be together and work out things, no? Work things out, not right, no? To have a new beginning sa relationship, right? No, hindi biro, no, something like that. Kaya pala meron kayong unang card nyo is it's always seem impossible until it is done, right? No, so maybe for some of you all, before parang imposible ng maayos, right? But then still, no, the eagerness is there, eh, no? Kumbaga parang kung may mga mali man, no, siguro humingi na ng kapatawaran, may nagpatawad na rin, and then decided to be together again, no? And yeah, from that, yung imposible na akala ay naging possible, right? Na nagkaroon pa ulit ng rekindle, no? Something like that. Or union or reunion of hearts, no? So, something like that, right? No? So, napakaganda rin, no? So, from disaster to, di ba, a new beginning ng inyong buhay, right? No? Ng inyong relationship, right? Mga Aries natin. No? So, let's see what's the future outcome pa, no? O possible future, no? Yeah, possible, hindi possible, no? Future outcome of this relationship na you are with, no? Mga Aries natin. No? So, let's see, no? Kuha tayo ng one card for you, no? Mga Aries natin. Let's see what's the future outcome ng inyong relationship, no, na you are working things out, no, parang yeah, para maybe may mga kids kayo, family na kayo, married for some of you, right, committed, no, that's why you decided to be together still, no. So let's see what's the future outcome, no, ng mga pagpupursige ninyo to be together again, right, no. So let's see the star in reverse, no? So, ang future outcome is the star in reverse, right? So, ang nakikita ko rito no mga Aries natin, no, yeah, may mga naguhong pangarap eh, kasi nga before nagkaroon kayo ng hindi magandang ano eh, right? No, hindi magandang issues before na kinaharap, no? With the star here in reverse, no? So, in the future still ay hindi pa rin ganun ka-solid, or I mean hindi pa rin niya makukuha yung pinaka-minimithi niyo for some of you na siguro yung happiness or sabihin natin yung kung ano man 'tong hindi pa kasi kumbaga mahirap, 'di ba? Mahirap pa rin, um, kumbaga yung pinagdaanan is talagang, ah, tina-try pa din na maayos, right? No, but with the star in reverse here, for the future outcome is, nakikita ko is still working out things, no? In the near future, no? Parang inaayos pa din, no? Hindi pa siya talaga fully healed, no? Sabi natin yung inyong relationship, no, in the future is still hindi pa siya fully healed, no? So, sabi ko nga grabe kasi yung naging issues before ng pinagdaanan ng inyong relationship, right? But then kung makikita mo rito, no, yung bottom of the deck ng inyong cards here is the Ten of Pentacles, no? So, ang nakikita ko kasi kung sabi nating bottom of the deck ito, so with the star in reverse, no, sa future outcome niyo, talagang medyo talagang workout pa din in the future. And with this Ten of Pentacles, no, sa bottom of the card ninyo is, yeah, kung talagang pagtsatsagaan nyo, talagang iaano nyo, ipupursu nyo na maging maayos yung inyong relationship, hindi malabo, no? Hindi imposible na ma-achieve nyo pa rin yung gusto nyo na magkasama pa rin kayo ng person mo, right? No? So, may mga obstacles pa rin kayong pagdadaanan. No? So, but then, kailangan yung paglabanan yan together, no? Kasi, nasa bottom of the deck pa tong Ten of Pentacles ninyo, no? Kumaga, parang wish fulfillment, no? Yung satisfaction, yung inyong kung ano man yung mga gusto nyo mangyari na together again talaga na as in parang ito na talaga, no? Ito na yung parang wala na lahat. Lahat bago na, lahat total yung mga kailangan alisin na yung kumbaga parang wala nang mantsa ng nakaraan, no? So medyo matagal-tagal pa, mahaba-habang proseso pa, no? But then if tsatsagaan nyo ito, right? Tsatsagaan nyo if you are willing, if ikaw tong nagkaroon ng mistakes sa iyong partner, no? Kung tsatsagaan mo, makukuha mo yung resulta ng maganda, right? No, wala namang madali eh. Kung ikaw yung nagkamali rito, you have to ano, no? Talagang kailangan mong sabihin natin na ikaw talaga yung magtrabaho for this. Right? Ipakita mo na sincere ka na magkaayos kayo ng partner mo, na maging maayos ulit, bumalik kayo, or sabihin natin totally new, no, yung inyong relationship, no, at mag-start talaga ng fresh, mag-start ng bago, at magsimula ulit ng masaya, no, something like that, no. Hindi yan agad-agad nakukuha with the star in reverse, right? No, in the near future talagang mahaba-habang proseso pa ang pagdadaanan ninyo para makuha niyo yung siguro tiwala, kung ano man ito, no? Mahaba-habang proseso pa yung mangyari. Basta kailangan patunayan ninyo, right? Na talagang you deserve to be happy again. Of course, sa gusto mong tao, sa mahal mo, kung mahal mo talaga, right? No? At kailangan mong pagtrabahuan because kung ikaw yung nagkamali dito, you have to accept and do the things, or I mean do the work, no, para maging maayos talaga totally, no, at maging makuha mo yung talagang wish mo na magkaayos kayo at maging masaya ulit, no, ng iyong partner, no, na the person on your mind, the one you are connected with, right? No, mga Aries natin, right? No, so let's see what's the message advice for you ni universe, right? Mga Aries natin. So, kuha tayo ng one card here for you, no, Aries. Message advice for Aries is, so let's see, choose happy, no? So, sinasabi sa iyo ng universe, right, no? Choose happy, no? Kung masaya ka, kung ano yung masaya, saan ka ba masaya? Masaya ka ba talaga na gusto mo, ano bang magpapasaya sa iyo, yung magkaayos kayo ng person mo or may ibang bagay pa? 'Di ba? Choose happy, choose happiness. Parang yung reading ko rin kahapon, no, kay Scorpio, right? No, parang choose happiness eh. Kasi alam nyo, mahirap i-achieve talaga ang happiness sa buhay. But then once you feel fully na talagang ito na, ang saya-saya ko na, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Madali lang tayong tumawa, madaling ngumiti, but then the real happiness, no, ang hirap i-achieve. So, kapag ikaw talaga alam mo sa sarili mo, you are contented, you are really happy in all aspects of your life, no? Ang sarap sa pakiramdam niyan, no? Something like that, right? No, mga aris natin. So, sinasabi ni universe dito to choose happy, choose happiness, be happy. So, gawin mo yung tamang paraan at yung tamang way ng magiging masaya ka. Yung totoong magiging masaya ka. Doon ka. Right? So, yeah, that's it for you, no? I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Aries natin. So, yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Aries. So, yeah, no, let's continue with you, Leo, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Leo natin, no? So, let's see what's the message, no? Anong kailangan mong marinig from your inner self, no? Mga Leo natin. So, kuha tayo ng one card for you, Leo. Message from your inner self, no? Mga Leo. So, let's see. I can and I will. No? So sinasabi sa iyo, no, Leo, no, maybe for some of you nang papanghinaan kayo ng loob, right? No, kung ano man ito, no, mga parang hindi nyo magawa, no, parang feeling nyo hindi nyo kaya, feeling nyo hindi kayo deserve, no, something like that, no. So or naduduwag for some of you, no? Parang ayun din, no? Parang ang namamaliit niyo yung sarili niyo dito eh, right? No, mga Leo natin. So, sinasabi ng iyong inner self here na don't sabihin natin na wag mong i-down yung sarili niyo, right? Mga Leo natin. So, lagi mong sasabihin sa sarili mo na I can and I will, right? No, whatever it is, no, kayang-kaya mo yan at and you will do that, no, because kaya mo yan, right? No, kaya mo yan at walang makakahadlang sa'yo at alam mo may magandang resulta yan, no? Whatever it is, no, mga Leo natin, right? No? Parang affirmation to sa'yo, no? Sinasabi ng iyong inner self na i-affirm mo sa sarili mo na I can and I will, no? Nothing is impossible, no? Parang lahat do connected, no? Sa sinasabi lagi ni God na nothing is impossible. If you are willing, no? If you have faith to do that whatever it is, no, if you have this strong faith, no, and that will come true, no, and there's nothing impossible with that, right? No, so ayun yung nakikita ko dito ng mga Leo natin, no. So affirm this, I can and I will, no, lagi mong sasabihin yan lalo kapag napapanghinaan ka ng loob, no, something like that, no, mga Leo natin, right? No, so let's see the person on your mind, no, mga Leo natin. Sino ba ang who is it, no, the person on your mind, the one you are connected with, right? No, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Leo. Let's see. For Leo, please. Person on your mind. Tingnan natin. So you have this, no, very young, no. Yeah, and then same height as you, parang kay ano din, Aries, no, and then elderly, no. So yeah, so ang nakikita ko naman dito ng mga Leo natin, and again, no, vice versa yan, pwedeng kayo itong nakuha natin or yeah, yung iniisip niyong person, right? So ang nakikita ko dito, Leo, right, is hindi naman siya totally young, no? Ang nakikita ko, no, with the same height as you, pwedeng same age din kayo, no? Something like that because the elderly is here, no? Kumbaga, pwedeng mas matanda sa inyo, but then with the very young, sabihin natin may pagkayang yung energy, adventurous tong tao na ito, or simply is masayahin na parang bata or parang bata kumilos, or literally for some of you immature, no, this person that you are dealing with, no, something like that, no. So yun yung nakikita ko rito, no. Sabihin natin parang same age lang kayo, right, no, but then kahit na yun nga hindi naman na bata, matanda na rin naman, no, but then may pagka-immature with the very young here is yun nga, no, isip bata or kilos bata or yeah, no, parang yeah, sabihin natin medyo for some of you baka sakit ng ulo mo, no? So ayun din yung nakikita ko rito for some of you, right? No? So let's see what else, no? Tingnan pa natin ano pang meron pagdating sa yung person on your mind, no? Tingnan natin. So kuha pa tayo dito ng 3 cards, no? Mga Leo natin, right? No? Kuha tayo ng 3 cards here. Let's see. Person on your mind, mga Leo natin. So you have this, say it 3 times, I don't care, and then this is bullshit, and then do not panic. No, so parang yan, no, ang nakikita ko talaga rito, no, mga Leo natin, for some of you, the one you are dealing with is parang talagang may pagka-immature itong tao na ito, right? No? And then for some of you, no, mainitin ang ulo ng tao na ito, no, with this, no, pang baga, sabihin natin madaling uminit ang ulo niya, and then with this, no, naka-megaphone, no, kumaga parang mahilig sumigaw o yeah, kasi mainit ulo, kumaga nati-trigger siya eh, madali siyang ma-trigger, no, ang nakikita ko rito yung triggerness, yung madaling mag-init ang ulo, sumisigaw agad, right? Nagmumura. For some of you, ayun yung nakikita kong mga characteristic ng tao na ito, right? No, kung sino lang makaka-resonate here, no, mga Leo natin, no, but then yun ang nakikita ko rito, right? No, palamura itong tao na to, mainitin ang ulo, no, madaling matrigger yung kanyang init ng ulo, and then wala siyang pakialam, no, basta siya magwawala or sisigaw, no, ng kung ano-ano, no, mahilig magmura. Yeah, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you Leo or vice versa to, no, pwedeng kayo talaga rin to, no. So just take what's resonating with you, no, mga Leo natin. So what else, no, tignan pa natin, no, ano pang meron, no, sa inyo ng person on your mind, no. So meron talaga rito na sabihin nga natin, no, immature person. So, yeah, no, let's see what else, no? Ano pang meron sa inyo ng person na ito, right? No? So, talagang may pagka-immature to, no? Kasi wala siyang pakialam, no? Parang selfish din itong tao na ito, right? No, kahit nakakasakit na siya, no, ng kapwa niya or kayo, no, nasasaktan na kayo is he or she doesn't care, no? Don't care, right? No? Mahilig bagmura, no? So, let's see what else. No? Parang gusto ko pa talagang kumuha, no? What else? Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for you. Tingnan natin. So, you have this, no? 10 of Wands. The Strength, and then 3 of Wands. No, so for some of you talaga, no, ang nakikita ko talaga rito, burden tong tao na ito sa inyo, no. Kumbaga parang nilalakasan niyo na lang, no, with the Strength here and 3 of Wands, no. Kumbaga, you are still waiting for this person to change, no, or yan, magbago siya, no, talagang, but then with the 10 of Wands, no, sobrang burden sa iyong tao na ito, right, no, kumbaga parang pabigat siya masyado, no, ikaw yung nagdadala ng, kumbaga, without you, no, parang ikaw palagi yung umiintindi or iniintindi mo itong tao na ito, no, mga Leo natin, right, no, kumbaga, lahat na ng lakas mo, no, binigay mo na, no, so still you are waiting eh, no, but then, no, napapagod ka na rin ng kahihintay na magbago itong tao na ito, right, no, but still, no, kahit na anong mangyari, no, you are hopeful pa rin na magbago, na parang malakas pa rin yung positivity sa inyo, Leo, na makikita at darating pa rin yung time na magbabago pa rin ang tao na ito, no? Something like that, no? Kumaga, buong lakas ang binibigay mo sa tao na ito, right? No? Kasi burden siya, no? Ikaw yung nagbubuhat sa kanya, no? Parang ganun, no? Something like that. So let's see what's the future outcome, no, ng inyong relationship, no, ng tao na ito, right? No? So let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Leo, no? Future outcome ninyo. Let's see. So you have this, no, the Hangman. So still, no, parang in the near future, no, still you are nakahangkay, no? Parang you are still waiting, no? Waiting and waiting. At positive ka pa rin na may pagbabago pa rin mangyayari, no? So there's nothing wrong with that, no, mga Leo natin, no? You are just being kind, no, with this person, no, to this person, of course, right? No, syempre mahal mo siya, right? No, so kumaga, kaya mo pa rin magtiis, no? Magtitiis ka, lahat ng lakas mo pa rin ibibigay mo, no? Gusto mo pa rin makita ang pagbabago sa tao. But then, lagi ko nga sinasabi, no, if you want someone to change, hayaan nyo sila, right? No, na magbago. Huwag nyo ipagdasal. No, kasi ang tao, nasa sa kanila yan kung gusto nilang magbago. No? Sayang ang pagdadasal natin if that person is not willing to change, right? No? Babalik at babalik din yan sa dati kung talagang gusto nila yung mga ginagawa nila dati or yung ugali nila, hindi nila mabago, right? No? There's nothing wrong with that, no? Ayun sila, no? So, kung halimbawa mangyari man na ikaw, maghintay ka pa rin in the near future, makita mo pa rin walang pagbabago, maybe it's time for you to move on and go on with your life na rin, right? No, kasi for sure marami ka na rin nasayang na panahon sa paghihintay ng pagbabago sa tao na ito, right? No, but then useless, right? No, so ang nakikita ko rin maybe for some of you, if in the near future still that person is the same as before, no, is maybe that's the right time for you to move on and go on with your life, no? Marami pang magiging mas magandang outcome for you sa buhay mo kung matututo ka rin na mag-let go na rin sa tao na alam mong nahihirapan ka na din, right? No, but then yeah, no, yeah, nasa sayo pa rin naman yan, no, mga Leo natin, right? No, so ayun lang naman yung pwede kong masabi, right? Ma-advise, no, if that's the case, no, something like that, no, mga Leo natin, right? So yeah, no, let's see what's the message advice for you ni Universe ng mga Leo natin. So kuha tayo ng one card for you, Leo. Message advice for you. Let's see. So you have this, no? I am radiant being in I am a radiant being enjoying life to the fullest, right? No, so sinasabi ko talaga sa iyo, right? No, katulad sinabi ko kanina, if that's the case, no, in the near future, wala ka pa rin makitang pagbabago sa person na ito, then it's time for you to go on, no, and move forward with your own, no? Something like that, 'di ba? Parang ganun yung sinasabi sa iyo ni Universe dito, right? No? Stop dimming your light, right? No? There is so much potential in you here, right? No, mga Leo natin. No? And you are wasting your time, no, living your life to the fullest, right? Hindi mo nakukuha yung dapat para sa iyo because of this person, no? Maybe for some of you, ito yung nagiging blockages din sa iyong progress in life, no? Something like that, no, mga Leo, right? No, so you are dimming your light, no? You are giving away your light to the people or to the person that is do not care about what you are giving, no? Something like that, 'di ba, mga Leo natin? So maybe again, if that's the case, no, in the near future, still you have that person on the same track, no, as before, no? So maybe that's the time for you to enjoy naman yung iyong buhay, right, no? At ikaw naman, no, intindihin mo naman yung sarili mo, no? Something like that ng mga Leo natin. Or maybe for some of you, maybe you can start it right now, no? As of this moment, no? Maybe you are just waiting for a sign from the universe. Ano bang maipapayo nila sa iyo sa iyong sitwasyon, right? Mga Leo natin. So yeah, that's it for you mga Leo natin, no? I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading natin today for you mga Leo. So yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching Leo. So yeah, no, let's proceed to you, Sagittarius. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga Sagittarius natin? No? So, let's see what's the message for you ng iyong inner self, right? Anong dapat mong marinig from your inner self? Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Sag. So, let's see. Beauty is within you. No? So, sinasabi dito sa Sagittarius ng iyong inner self that you are beautiful, right? No? So, sinasabi ni universe is, I mean, ng iyong inner self, right? No? Maybe, kasi alam niyo yung beauty is hindi lang panlabas, right? No? Beauty is within you, right? No? Within you, no? So, nasa sa loob mo. Right? Ayun mismo yung pinakamaganda sa iyong pagkatao. Yung iyong pagkatao mismo ang pinakamaganda aside from the looks, right? No, mga Sagittarius, right? No, maraming nakakakita niyan, ikaw lang siguro yung hindi. No, nakikita nila na ang ganda ng kalooban mo, right? No, siguro for some of you nakikitaan ka nila ng you are so kind, right? No, beautiful and kind, no, something like that yung mga Sagittarius natin, right? No, so ay hindi nakikita ng inner self mo sa'yo. No, so you have to embody this one, right? No, wag mong i-ano yung sarili mo. You are beautiful in any aspect, no, of your body, of your soul, no, mga Sagittarius natin, right? No, you are beautiful, no. So sinasabi ng iyong inner self, right? No, so let's see the person on your mind, no? Anong meron, no? Let's see who is the person on your mind, mga Sagittarius natin, the one you are connected with, right? No, so let's see, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Sagittarius. Tingnan natin the person on your mind for Sagittarius. So you have this white floating, elderly, and then powerful, no? Powerful, right? No, so yeah, no, ang nakikita ko rito ng mga such the person on your mind and again vice versa, no? Pwedeng kayo rin ito, no, for some of you, right? No, so the person you are dealing with, right, is maybe for some of you mahilig sa mga white clothes, no? Mahilig magsuot ng puti or light colored clothes, no? Something like that, right? No? Or ang means nakikita ko rin dito for some of you, you are married to this person with the white clothing. Sabihin nating, yeah, kinasal kayo, of course, wearing white dress, no? Or white, di ba? So, yeah, this person is, yeah, no, pwedeng married din kayo. And then, yeah, for some of you, hindi na rin bata, no? Maybe parehas naman kayo ng edad ng, hindi na kayo yung kabataan, no? Mga 30s up and up na rin, of 40s, no? Something like that, no? Nakikita ko dito mga 40s and above, no? Something like that, right? No? And then with the powerful here, no? Maybe in authority, no? Or in a position itong person na ito, the one you are dealing with, no? Mga Sagittarius or ikaw, no? Just take what's resonate, no, mga Sagittarius natin. So this person is powerful, meaning may authority, maybe sa job or owns a business, no, something like that, na may powerful siya or may authority siya to command, no, something like that, no, or just powerful, no, malakas yung kanyang aura, malakas yung kanyang sabihin nating yung kanyang the way he or she handles his or herself, no? Something like that, no? Parang intimidating kind of energy, no? Something like that, no? Parang 'Di ba, parang napaka-confident na tao 'no, very powerful 'no, something like that. So ayun din yung nakikita ko rito 'no, for some of you 'no, Sagittarius natin. So let's see what else 'no, sa person ninyo 'no, ano pang meron 'no, tignan natin meron na sitwasyon pa sa inyo ng person na ito, right? So kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Sagittarius 'no, person on your mind, the one you are dealing with, right? For Sagittarius, please. Let's see. So you have this no twin flames, no? So yin yang balance, no? So you have twin flames, mask, no? Hiding through feelings, no? And then gaslight for some of you. So let's see what else. So blowing kiss, no? Unconditional love, giving, receiving, fairness, love, affection, return. No? So ang nakikita ko rito no for some of you, this person you are dealing or the person on your mind no mga Sagittarius, so you have a strong connection with the twin flame for some of you. Yeah, no? Malakas ang sabihin nating soul tie, spirituality or spiritual connection. Kasi parang telepathically, no, you are connected even though you are apart, right? No? Parang ganun din yung nakikita. But then with the twin flame here, no, ang nakikita ko naman dito, no, sabihin natin na ano to eh, no, kumbaga parang like nakalagay rito polar opposites, right? No, kumbaga hindi kayo magkasundo. Ito yung taong hindi kayo nagkakasundo, magkaiba kayo. Opposite na opposite, right? Na magkaiba kayo ng mga gusto, ng mga beliefs in, 'di ba, no? Kung ano man, no? Mga paniniwala sa isa't isa, no? Mga tradition, no? For some of you. And yeah, no, this person is yeah, wearing a mask for some of you, right? Kasi may conflict, no? Ang nakikita ko rin dito na may conflict kasi nga hindi kayo nagiging fair sa isa't isa. Kumbaga parang hindi kayo sabihin natin na kahit na yeah, ang nakikita ko pala is yun nga no, with the mask here no for some of you, right? Is sabihin natin na hindi niyo sinasabi or hindi niyo sinasabi yung totoong nararamdaman niyo sa isa't isa for some of you, right? Or maybe, dalawang senaryo, ang isa pang nakikita ko rito, no? Na-discover mo itong tao na ito na may mga tinatabo, right? No? With the mask here, right? No? May mga discoveries, revelation then for some of you because yun nga, no, hindi kayo nagkakasundo. So, may mga na-discover ka dito sa tao na ito na mga ginagawa niya na opposites na hindi mo akalain din, no, for some of you, right? No? And then, with the blowing kiss here, no, still there is someone here na giving or offering his or her unconditional love, right? No? So, kahit sabihin nating opposites kayo, right, no, nagkakaroon pa rin ng balance, right, no? Kahit na may mga conflicts na nangyayari, no, nagkakaroon pa rin ng balance, no? Yung affection, nandiyan pa rin, no? Kumbaga, merong give and take, no? Kumbaga, meron pa rin balance, eh. Kahit magkaiba kayo ng personality ng tao na ito, still, you manage to have a balance, no, sa inyong partnership, relationship, no? Something like that because of the unconditional love is there, no? Kahit na may mga conflicts, may hindi pagkakasundo, but with the love, the unconditional love, nagkakaroon ng balance, no? Ayun yung pinangahawakan ninyo para to stick together, no? At to have a balance, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right, no? Uh, yeah, ayun yung nakikita ko. So, what else, no? Tingnan pa natin. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for you, mga Sagittarius natin, right? So, let's see what else, no? For Sagittarius, please. Tingnan pa natin. So, you have this, no? Nine of Wands in reverse. Sorry, Nine of Wands in reverse, the Chariot, and then Two of Cups in reverse. So, yeah, nakikita ko rito, right, no, parang on and off talaga yung relationship ninyo, right? Palaging nagkakaroon ng ending and then new beginning, ending, and with the chariot, no, laging may movement, right? And then with the nine of wands in reverse here, right, no, ang nakikita ko rin is na-o-overcome no? Na-o-overcome nyo, no? Lagi yung mga obstacles, right? Or yung mga conflicts sa relationship ninyo, right? No? And still, no, ang nakikita ko, no, kahit even though na-accomplish or na-overcome ninyo yung mga conflicts, obstacles, issues na pinagdadaanan ninyo sa relationship, partnership ninyo, ng person na ito, right? Mga Sag, no? There is a movement here, no, the chariot. No? So, kumbaga, ang nakikita ko is, yun nga eh, kahit na-overcome nyo nga, no, something like that, na parang, kahit na grabe yung pinagdadaanan, no, still, kasi nga, may unconditional love eh, no. Merong isang may unconditional love eh, no, something like that. And then, with the Two of Cups in reverse here, no, ang nakikita ko kasi nakikita mo may Scorpio dito, no, sa ano, ayan. But then in reverse na kasi. So, kumbaga, mas nakikita ko rito, no, sa inyo Sagittarius is palaging may ending and then may start. Ending and start. On and off, no, something like that, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko. May something na paulit-ulit din na nangyayari, no, ma-overcome din, aayos, tapos eto na naman, babalik din naman sa dati. Kumbaga, kaya may chariot kayo is yung movement kasi, no, paikot-ikot. No? Parang you are in a cycle, repeating cycle, no, with this person, mga Sagittarius natin. So, ayun din yung nakikita ko rito, no. Merong isa sa inyo na nag-o-offer talaga or has this unconditional love, no. Kaya, nababalance pa rin. But then, if you will see, paulit-ulit na lang yung nangyayari, no? So, parang medyo nakakapagod rin for some of you. So, let's see what's the future outcome ng inyong relationship, no? Mga Sagittarius natin, right? No? So, let's see, kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Sag, no? Future outcome ng inyong relationship. Let's see. So, the moon, no? So, ang nakikita ko rito, future outcome, no? With the moon here, no? Nakikita ko, may mga realization ka dito mangyayari or sabihin natin na still, no? May mga secrets to reveal pa din, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Kasi kung makikita mo, kahit with the moon, ano na lang siya, almost one-fourth na lang ng moon eh. No? So, there is a revelation. No? Yung may mga secrets na na-reveal na. And with the torch here, no, or light, no, there is nakikita kong light, no, may clarity or something na yun nga, no, may ma-realize ka or clarity about this, no. So maybe in the near future, one of you or kung sino man, merong magde-decide because gusto ng kumawala or para matapos na yung repeating cycle na ito, right? No, with the moon is kailangan ng matapos, right? No, kasi na-reveal na nagkaroon na ng clarity, no, sa relationship, no. So merong dapat gawin, no, and merong dapat i-pursue or mag-take action to kung ano man ito, no, decision, whatever it is, right, no. Nakikita ko kasi parang moving forward ito no, parang meron ng kailangang magdesisyon for some of you, no, mga Sagittarius natin, right, no. So yeah, so let's see what's the message advice for you ni universe, no, mga Sag, no. Kuha tayo dito ng one card for Sagittarius, please, no? Message, advice for you, Sagittarius. Tignan natin. So you have this, no? Be the best version of yourself. No, so sinasabi dito ng mga Sagittarius, no, for some of you, sinasabihan ka ni universe dito na be the best version of yourself, meaning you have to um, get out of your comfort zone. No, for some of you, sabi ko nga may repeating cycle dito, right? No, and from that, no, yung potential mo for some of you hindi mo nagagawa, or yung dapat na para sa hindi mo nakukuha because you are compromising yourself to the situation, right? No, you are maybe for some of you ikaw tong bigay ng unconditional love, right? No, kaya na-overcome niyo yung mga issues because you are giving and giving and giving, no, and you are just repeating the cycle. And from that, hindi mo nakikita yung best of you, eh, right? Na yung kumbaga parang ang nakikita mo lang palagi yung person na parang kailangan mong sagapin ng sagapin. But then dapat naman it's time for you to level up yourself, right? No? Because you are forgetting um your needs, of course. The one, yung iyong inner self kasi parang sumisigaw na dito, eh, no, for some of you. So listen to your intuition, your gut feeling, right? No, sa mga sitwasyon, no, meron kang kailangang gawin dito, no, mga Sagittarius natin. There is still no, something inside of you na alam mo merong nagbabatter inside, no? So, something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, sinasabi ni universe sa'yo, no, Sagittarius, to get out, no, get out of your comfort zone. Nagiging comfort zone mo itong repeating cycle na ito, no? You are afraid to get out and see who you truly are, right? You have so much potential in yourself, no? And you can give it to others, to the person, of course, to those people who are deserving of your unconditional love, the best version of you, right? No, take out the old version, which is getting into a repeating cycle. You have to get out and move on to a new cycle and be the best version of yourself, right? No, something like that. No, mga I hope na naintindihan ninyo, right? Mga Sagittarius natin. So get out, no? If you are thinking of this, right? No, so this is the sign for you to get out, no? Because I know you are being tired here na rin, no, mga Sagittarius natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you mga Sagittarius natin. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today mga Sagittarius natin, and overall fire signs, no, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, no. So maraming salamat sa pagbabalik sa panonood ng reading natin for you mga fire signs natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you. God bless you all and thank you for watching fire signs.